Want stronger abs but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you 4 beginner-friendly ab exercises that you can do at home with no equipment. Do this workout 3 to 4 times per week, stay consistent, and you'll start seeing noticeable results much faster than most beginners. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, crunches. This is one of the best beginner ab exercises. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and slowly lift your shoulders off the floor. Focus on squeezing your abs at the top. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Exercise number 2, leg raises. This exercise targets your lower abs. Lie on your back and keep your legs straight. Slowly raise your legs until they reach about a 90-degree angle with your body. Pause for a moment at the top, then slowly lower them back down under control. Don't let your feet touch the ground. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. This one not only works your abs but also gets your heart rate up. Get into a push-up position and drive your knees toward your chest one at a time. Keep a steady pace. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds. And finally, plank. Simple, but extremely effective. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your abs and hold the position. Do 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds. Now here's the mistake most beginners make. They train abs every day and expect visible abs in a week. If you want your abs to show, you also need to control your calories, eat enough protein, and stay consistent. Save this workout and try it for the next 2 weeks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep forging your physique, legends. Want an aesthetic physique? Watch this video next. I'll see you there, legends.